guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. If Taurus is in your natal chart somewhere, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, this reading is for you. So let's do a general collective reading for your person and third party situation. Third party can be their new person, family, friends. Take as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your person and third party are getting along, what your person thinks about you now, messages from your partner for you, tarot advice for you. This reading is for people who are not in contact with their partner. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it is not your story and the messages are not for you. So, as you can see, I have already shuffled the cards. So, let's get started. So, how situation looks from outside. From outside, how your situation looks with third party, 8 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, and the Star. Star, 8 of Wands, and 9 of Pentacles. I think from outside people can see that they are both attracted to each other and they are moving forward with each other because of one person is financially stable. So maybe your person is financially stable or this other person, this third party is financially stable. Because of that, they can see there is a hope of this relationship moving forward. That is what they show outside world. There is a movement in this relationship. But what is the unseen truth of their relationship? Five of Wands, Prince of Swords. Prince of Swords is Page of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles, yeah. I think they are very bitter towards each other and angry. They keep an eye on each other all the time and they don't trust each other because one of them is giving to their family they're one of them, like your person, they like they or their third party, your third party, they are giving their money to someone else too. So they are very angry about it and they are having lot of fights and drama within the relationship because of that. So this is what is going on inside of this relationship. So what do they think about you in alone time? High Priestess, the Lovers, and Knight of Pentacle. They think that they hold back their urge for you. They are very physically attracted to you. And they think that they should have offered this stability to you. That is what they think. When they are alone in night time, most of the time in the night, they think about this. And they hold back these feelings. They are physically very badly attracted to you. See, can you see? All the time, these passionate things, whatever moments you have spent with them, that comes to their mind when they are alone. And they think that they should have offered you this Knight of Pentacle, like stability they should have offered to you. For some of you, it can be that they think that you you might have had, like when they left you, they think that you might have got a stable offer from someone else because you are very attractive physically. So take what resonates with you. So what truth your person didn't know about third party? King of Pentacle, the Fool, and Queen of Wands. So I think they didn't knew that this third party was, yeah, they were financially stable, but they are very prideful. This your person didn't know They are very proud, like this Queen of Wands is typical third party. So they are having money, so they don't value your person, and they feel very foolish about it. Yeah, they feel that they took a very bad start with this Queen of Wands because they don't care about him or her, and they feel very sad, and they think that they should not have taken this leap of faith towards this third party. So what action should you take about your person, as you know there's a third party involved? So here I have Strength, Prince of Wands, and Justice. Yeah. So I think universe wants to tell you that you should hold on. You should hold on, wait and watch, and you take all your passion towards your own. Yeah, if you are waiting for some justice, this passion is going to come. So you should not feel very that you have lost him. You are feeling that way. If you are feeling that you are alone in this dark night, he left you and all, don't think that way, because you are very strong emotionally. Also, you should move forward. You should have new ideas, work on that. And regarding this person, there will be a karmic or legal justice. So take whatever resonates in your case. Justice is a karma card actually. The scales will be balanced for sure. So don't worry about him. Okay. Okay. So what next? So what is he feeling now? Yeah. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. Oh God. And the World. He feels defeated. He thinks that he has gone through a lot. He thinks he is on his knees already. He thinks he should not have taken this step. He thinks that this relationship, this third party relationship, was is a burden on them, and he's not able to see his face. He's just carrying it. He's not happy there, and he should end this relationship with third party. That is what he is thinking. That is what he is going through. See, nine of under that is three of swords, so his heart is aching for sure. So if it has a if this reading has resonated till now, please make sure an energetic donation by liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. It gives me motivation to make more videos. So let's continue with our reading. So what are the messages he want to message you, but he is not able to? Let me see. Show me the messages he wants to send to you. I regret everything, but my ego won't allow me to apologize. See, his ego is still in the way for apologizing, but now he knows that whatever he did was wrong. I cannot handle being triggered. I might hurt you, so stay away. So he wants to come towards you, but he thinks that he is in not he is in a very bad mind space. He doesn't want to come near you now. He want to heal first. I feel clearly it's over because I had a boyfriend and girlfriend. And what else? Also, he feels that he want to put this burden down. So here's the message saying that life is too short for sorrow and grief. So he is into sorrow and grief, and he wants to get over it now, because he thinks that you won't take him back, because he won't apologize. and he doesn't want to apologize because his ego is very big. But for you, there will be a justice. There will be a karmic justice for you, whatever you have gone through. So just keep walking your path, take your passion, your new ideas forward. Stay strong, stay strong, and move forward. So, what are the messages from the universe? What are the advice messages for you? Expectation. You expect that he should come towards you. Distance horizon. He is not staying nearby to you, he is staying somewhere little bit away. But in near future, you might get an offer of gift from this person. See, you have journey card here. Yeah. This is a 10 number. So it might be that he will end this relationship with this third party and then come back to you, because he knows that you are expecting him to come back, and he will offer you a small gift. This gift can be his emotional emotions, maybe a small gift. That is it. So this is your reading, Taurus. I hope you like it. If the reading has resonated, please do comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.